In this quick video, I'll show you how to make a smooth rotating circular text animation using Canva. So let's jump right in. Alright, first, I'll start by adding a dark background to make the animation stand out. Then, I go to the text and add a heading. Then I'll type Monday. I make the text uppercase, change the font to Anton. Increase the size, and place it right in the center. After that, I add another heading and type the word cyber. This time, I reduce the size and then copy this text using Ctrl-C or Command-C in Mac and paste it 9 times. Increase the width of the text. Make it uppercase and add some letter spacing to give it a clean look. After that, I go into the effects, select the curve effect, and turn it into a circular shape. I adjust the size and position until everything looks balanced. Next, go to Animate and choose a Rotate animation. Next, duplicate the curved text, place it at the center, and increase its size. Then I go back into Effects. For this one, I apply the hollow text effect and adjust the thickness. After that, I go back to Animate, and if you have Canva Pro, you can rotate the text in the opposite direction to create a stunning dual rotation effect. Once that's done, duplicate both layers and increase their size to create the next circular ring. Now, repeat this process until the entire screen is filled with rotating circular text. Next, go to Position, open Layers, and select the center text. Adjust its size if needed. And now I want this text to stand out, so I apply the neon effect and lower its intensity slightly. And with that, everything is done. And this is the final result. If the circular animation too fast for you, just select all the circular layers, go to Animate, and adjust the speed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like. And if you want to learn more amazing animation, then watch these videos next. I'll see you there.